Hello everyone, this is Daniel and Kelly from fitnessblender.com. We wanted to let you guys know that our personal training team is expanding and our first brand new trainer is Tasha Adams.
Hi, I'm Tasha from fitnessblender.com.
So Tasha Adams is a certified personal trainer and she also has a master's in mental health, and we are ecstatic to have her on our team, and you're going to be able to meet her this next Monday.
If you are a member of FB Plus, you've already seen her stuff and you have been very, very supportive of her. She's been doing a great job. You guys have been letting her know how much you like her videos and everything, and you've been asking for her here on YouTube, so that's why you guys are going to get to see her next Monday. We've also hired a number of other content creators for FB Plus, including doctors of physical therapy and mental health counselors. And you'll be seeing most of their content on FB Plus, but some of it will be making its way over here to YouTube as well.
Speaking of, we are still hiring for certified personal trainers. So if you have your certification and you're based in the US, these are remote positions, so you can work from anywhere with a flexible work schedule, and you'll also be working for a bunch of really great people.
So if you're interested, please take a look at the links below. We'll give you a direct link to the jobs listing page. But also, if you want to search for it on your own, just go to our website and hit About Us and Careers, because there's other things other than just CPTs we're hiring for as well.
Otherwise, you'll be seeing more new workouts from us going forward, as well as some videos from some of our FB Plus trainers.
So with that said, we'll see you guys next time. And don't forget, next Monday, you'll be seeing a new video from Tasha.
See ya.
Bye. Hello.
I was like, where are you? What are we doing?
Put your hands in.
No.
Ready?
No. Okay.
This is going in the bloopers.
No, it's not.
You're grumbling, whiny.
No.
This is going in the bloopers.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm. You want to do this?
Hello, everyone.
Wait, I gotta not. Okay.
Brand new personal trainer tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Monday.
Oh,
tomorrow day.
Is that okay?
Yeah.